What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next edition of Weekly Goals. So it's been about a month since my last video, and this past month I have been somewhat productive, but not as much as I would like. So most of my time actually went into health, in terms of researching health, how to overcome sedentary lifestyle, how to stay healthy, etc., etc. So I've been reading a lot and trying to figure out how much movement I need throughout the day, how much exercise is necessary, and I've been trying to figure out what's the best balance. So a lot of time was spent doing the research and just trying to do less programming and more workout, etc., and just experimenting with things. So I'll be experimenting more, just trying to figure out the right amount of exercise and what exercises are needed to hopefully prevent some diseases down the road. So besides that, I finally finished the threading course to an extent. So the animations are done, the course is pretty much finished. I just have to hand it off to an audio engineer to fix up some of the background noise, etc. Now there is one video that I am kind of concerned about, and I'm not too sure if it's too difficult. I'm a little concerned that I didn't explain it well enough, or if I need more animations, etc. So I'm hoping one of you guys, or any of you guys, are willing to watch the video so you guys can give me some feedback as to if you were able to understand the content. So some of the content is kind of difficult, and I'm hoping one of you guys are willing to watch it. Not one of you guys, some of you guys are willing to watch it and give me feedback. So I'll be leaving my email address as to where you can contact me within the pinned section, the comment section, pinned, and you guys can just let me know if you guys were willing to watch it. So that is almost done. Now the next thing is the app. So I've slacked off a lot on the app, and I've been recently learning a lot of machine learning and deep learning stuff, so I'm going to try to expedite the learning and CoreML as well, to try to transfer my machine learning, deep learning models into CoreML. So the app was kind of at a standstill because I couldn't get my models to what I think was production ready. I was trying all these different transfer learning models, and I just couldn't get the model accurate enough. So I've been learning a lot of other deep learning techniques, hoping to try to increase the model. But there's a lot to learn, and I'm trying to get good at TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. I'm pretty decent at, so continue learning those things and continue working with the models and seeing if I could figure out how to get the model to what I feel is production ready. So I'll be learning a lot of TensorFlow, especially with 2.0 coming out, as well as I want to explore a lot of stuff in deep learning, especially generative adversarial networks, audio, text-to-speech, etc. Now my goals for this week and next week are getting the course ready. So the first thing is, let's just get this course ready, figure out where I'm going to deploy it. The second thing is getting models in TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, just experimenting with different things. So I've been working on with GANs. I want to do some more with that. A lot of transfer learning in TensorFlow. I want to experiment with some of the models they have, such as efficient nets, etc., which I can use for transfer learning. So I want to experiment with all these, and if I feel like I have a good hold on that, I'll make a video on TensorFlow and transfer learning. Now the PyTorch, the transfer learning, I have a couple of videos that are still being edited, so I'll have to upload those once they're edited, and I'll be sure to complete the PyTorch transfer learning as well. So I still have a few videos that need to be edited. I'll be uploading those as well. So we'll see. And I have finance related stuff that I need to do. So there's a lot of things I'm trying to work on, and so we'll see. There's I don't know. There's a lot of things going on in my mind right now. So I'll have to take it step by step, and we'll see what I can accomplish and how my next 2 weeks are going to be. Alright, so I'd like to end this note as you guys can share your goals as well, how much you're accomplishing, etc. And you can let me know about if you're interested in reviewing the video that I'm kind of concerned about for my new course, so the multi-threading course. Alright guys, so thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.